So it's maintenance time, and we have two 18,000 BTU units. Now, look at the size of those units. They're only 18,000 BTUs, but they have a big coil. They're medium static. Unfortunately, they don't have the filtering system I want on them because, you know, this time and price is a budget, and I could tell they have not been doing their maintenance. Look at how clogged the filters are. So I'll take care of that right now since I'm here for other work. Yeah, let's take care of that. Now, what I like to put on all my units is MERV 16 filters, but price and time was an issue when these were installed, so this is what you get. Not what I want to put on it. Hopefully we could come back here sometime in the future, and I always say that, to put MERV 16 filters on these systems to extend their life. And because people don't do maintenance, and this is what happens. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, if we do the filter boxes on here, this is going to have to get moved or rearranged or something like that. All right, let's get on to work here.